Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the mathematics class. Today, before we start our class, let us invite God into our midst. Let us close our eyes and pray for God's blessings. Do you remember what we were studying? Yes, we were. We already started the new lesson, polygon. Do you know what is polygon? Did you understand the classes that I had sent you the other day? Yes, polygon is having more sides. Let's have a division of what we have learned. It's a triangle. A polygon is called when there are more than 3 sides. It is called as polygon. Okay, here it's a triangle. How many sides are here? 3 sides. Okay, and what is this? Say quadrilateral with 4 sides. Instead of how many sides are there? How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. Here how many sides? 6 sides. So what these are known as polygons. Okay, more than 3 sides. When there are sides more than 3, they are called commonly they are called as polygons, and also we can give them individually names: triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon. All these names we can give. Okay, now what is the sum of their angles? We learned sum of their angles. For a triangle, we know what is the sum of their angles? 180. Okay, and what is the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral, what is the sum? We know this is 90 degree. This is 90. Here also 90. Here also 90. So what is total? 360. And here also how will you find out the sum? We learned the sum of the angles of a polygon. The equation is n minus 2 into 180. Okay. So that is the sum of the angles in a polygon. So one thing we can say again to remember, each time 180 is added. Each time 180 is added. For example, when there are 3 sides, it is 180. There is sum. Okay, we know this. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. Okay. So now when 4 sides, how much it will be? Yeah, 4 sides again add 180 more. Okay. So 180 plus 180. How much it is? 360. And 5 sides, how much it will be? We have 360 here. 360 plus 180. Then 6 sides. 360 plus 180 is how much? 540. 540 plus 180. So each time when the sides are increased, we have to add. Here it is how much it will be? Yeah, it will be 720. 7 sides it is how much? 6 plus 180, or 6 sides plus 180. So each time 180 is being increased. I hope it is clear to you. Now in the textbook you have a question. Question number 5th one. 4 questions we have done, and in the 5th one there was a question. The sum of the angles of a polygon is 1980. Okay, 1000. What is the sum? N minus 2 into 180 is equal to, it is given 1980. Okay. What is the sum of the angles of a polygon with one side less? What about a polygon with one side more? So, this is the sum of the angles. What is the sum? 1980. They are not asking how many sides are there. That is not the question. If one more side is there, what will be the angle? What is the sum? And if one side is less, what will be the sum of the angle? I said just before, each time when one more angle is increased, 180 is increased. Then one angle is less, 180 is subtracted. Here we how much we have? 1980. If the question, according to the question, it is what is the sum of the angles of a polygon with one side less. One side less means one angle is less. How will you find out? 1980 minus 180. I said each time 180 is increased. When each angle is, 3 angles are there, 3 sides are there, 180. 4 angles is there, 180 plus 180. So each time 180 is being added. So here, when one angle is less or one side is less, we have 1980 minus 180. You will get 180. Okay, now another part is that, what about a polygon with one side more? Then how will you do? 1980 plus 180. If it is clear, you have to find out. That will be the answer. 1980 minus 180 is how much? 1800 degree. And when it is added, how much? 2160. Okay, so this is the degree we will get. I hope it is clear to the 5th question. Now that part is over. Now we are going to learn other angles. Other angles means the outer angles. So far we were learning about the inside angle or the angles inside. We were finding out. Now the exterior angles or the other angles. It is in the textbook you can see, not other angles, outer angles. Outer angles. Outer angles or exterior. Okay, exterior angles. So that is what we are going to see here. Exterior angles means what? This is a triangle I have drawn. So I am extending here. Okay, so this side is extended here, and this side is extended here, and this is extended here. It's a triangle, and this is the outer angle. This is the outer angle here. This is the outer angle here, and this is the outer angle here. Alright, here in a quadrilateral we see this also. Here I am extending. Here I extended. Here it is extended, and this is extended. Okay, exterior angle or outer angle. What is the outer angle here? This is the outer angle. This is the outer angle. And here it is the outer angle. And here it is the outer angle. Now, in each one you look, there is an inside angle also. But we have already found out. What is the sum of the inside angle? Yeah, that will be how we learn. This is the formula. Okay. So we have an inside angle that was here, here, and here. Here also, this is the inside angle. Here, here, and here. Okay, this is the inside angle. Now, what is special about this inside angle and the outside angle? What you can understand? We have learned in small classes, and also in the first chapter we have learned something special about this one. What is this? Yeah, this is the linear pair. Okay, do you remember? Do you remember? Those of you remember the first chapter, you may remember what is linear pair. So the inside angle plus the exterior angle. Okay, both together is a linear pair. What is the sum of the linear pair? Do you remember? What is the sum of the linear pair? Do you remember? Is anyone remembering? Yeah, some of you are remembering and some of you may be thinking, I am not remembering. Maybe okay. Here, what is the sum of the linear pair? Sum of the linear pair is equal to 180 degree. Okay, do you remember? Now do you remember? Yes, we have learned sum of the linear pair is equal to 180 degree. In any case, you can look here. The sum of the linear pair, that is the external angle plus the inside angle. Okay, that is equal to 180 degree. Now for example, if I say here it is 80 degree, what will be here? What will be here outside external angle? What is it? If it is 80, what will be here? What is external angle? 100. Okay, because we know the sum is 180. Now if it is 70 here, what will be here inside? If it is 70 here, what will be inside? 110. Because total we have to get 1 inch. Okay.